Morphio is an AI prediction platform. We help small and medium-sized businesses look through their data. When something falls outside of normally what would happen, we send them an anomaly in Slack or in platform, save them time, and hopefully make them more money. Across your digital marketing, you're spending money generally on Facebook, analytics, and other Google products, as well as even Bing. We integrate all that information, aggregate it, and we're looking for anomalies that fall outside of generally what would happen. Anomalies we're looking for across all your digital marketing. Might be display, might be across mobile, might be across your different marketing platforms. Really, it's up to what your data has to offer. Morphio is going to look at it and tell you when something abnormal happens. The main difference with Morphio is we use machine learning to aggregate the data. So think of it as something that's always performing, always analyzing, never takes time off. It's really looking for the things that shouldn't happen, and it's going to provide that through an anomaly in the system itself. So here we're looking to connect with customers, and we're looking to connect with investors as we raise some capital for our public launch. Feedback has been great. We've met with vendors, we've met with partners, we've met with other developers, as well as digital marketing agencies and brands. We've heard some great things around the platform itself. People love the UI. The fact that we've invested early on in machine learning and AI, we're very happy about the success so far.